So Anthropic, the company behind Claude, is raising at least $30 billion at a valuation north of $900 billion. Some reports say the round could balloon to $50 billion, and to put that in perspective, OpenAI closed at $852 billion back in March. Anthropic just leapfrogged them. Keep in mind that this is a 5-year-old company. Their annual revenue run rate is now over $30 billion, up from about $9 billion at the end of 2025. That's not hype money, that's real revenue growth. They also just locked in SpaceX's entire Colossus 1 supercomputer, which has over 220,000 NVIDIA GPUs. There isn't a term sheet signed yet, but the deal is expected to close by the end of May. The AI arms race valuation game is getting genuinely absurd, but the revenue backs it up this time. Palo Alto Networks, one of the biggest cybersecurity companies on the planet, turned AI loose on their own code. They used Anthropic's Claude Mythos and OpenAI's GPT 5.5 cyber through something called Project Glasswing. And in just a few weeks, the AI found 75 vulnerabilities. That is 7 times their normal monthly rate. Here's the part that should keep you up at night. Palo Alto is now warning that there's a 3 to 5 month window before AI-driven exploits become the norm. So the same AI finding your bugs is also handing attackers a cheat code. Comforting, right? Forza Horizon 6 is here, and it is crushing it. The game is set in Japan, has over 550 cars, and is sitting at a 92 on Metacritic from 65 reviews. That makes it the best reviewed game of 2026 so far. Critics are calling it the best map in franchise history. Best looking, best sounding Horizon ever made. The PS5 version is still coming later, so Xbox and PC players get the bragging rights for now. Japan was the one setting fans have begged for since Horizon 3 and Playground finally delivered. OpenAI launched personal finance tools in ChatGPT. You can now connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts through Plaid. It works with over 12,000 institutions: Chase, Fidelity, Schwab, Amex, you name it. Pro users only for now. So yeah, giving an AI chatbot your full financial picture is a bold move. Useful? Probably. Risky? Also probably. Google I/O 2026 kicks off on May 19th. The keynote starts at 10 a.m. Pacific. There are big expectations around Gemini 4, Android 17, and agentic AI. The rumors are pointing to Android XR smart glasses and a new laptop platform called Aluminium OS. We will cover the highlights in the next episode, so be sure you are subscribed. And rounding things out, Dell just announced at Dell Technologies World that their AI factory with NVIDIA hit 5,000 customers. They added 1,000 new ones last quarter alone. Eli Lilly, Honeywell, and Samsung are using it for drug discovery and AI chip fabs. Enterprise AI infrastructure is quietly becoming a massive business while everyone watches the chatbot wars. Subnautica 2 entered early access on May 14th with 4-player co-op, and it's Steam's most wishlisted game right now. 007 First Light launches May 27th. That's Baby Bond's origin story from the Hitman devs at IO Interactive. The Fitbit Air is a screenless fitness tracker shipping May 26th at $99. No display, just vibes and data. And finally, the iSpeaker is a 4.5-inch passive amplifier machined from Duralumin that boosts your phone's volume with zero power, no Bluetooth, no firmware, just physics. We've come full circle from smart speakers back to a fancy horn, and honestly, I kind of respect it. That's it for the tech news today. Which story hit for you? Drop it in the comments. If you're new here, we do this every week, so hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, stay nerdy. Peace out, y'all.